Guys, welcome to a new course on HTML5 and CSS3. In this course, we are going to learn everything from the ground up. So at the end of this course, you'll be able to build a complete website on your own. To start this course, you do not need to know anything about HTML or CSS or website development. So just start the course and follow along. Now many of you might have questions that why should I learn this course or why should I learn HTML and CSS? Well, you should learn them because it is the first step towards web development. According to the web structure, we use HTML for structuring our web page, CSS for presentation and designing of our web page, JavaScript for the behavior and functionality of our site, and then there are different frameworks and backend development. HTML and CSS are the basic concepts in front-end development. Front-end development means how our website will look when someone sees it. So that is why you should learn HTML and CSS. So now, what do you guys have to do in this course? All you have to do is pay attention to all the tiny details that I will share with you. Write them and save them. Practice the code whenever I pause the video. This will help you to learn and understand the concepts better. Now, before moving forward, I have a course on HTML basics, and if any of you would like to learn basics of HTML before starting the course, check the link in the description or click on the I button that you see on your screen. Learn it and come back to this course. As this course has no requirements, the only thing you'll need are a standard text editor and a web browser. You can use Atom, VS Code, Notepad, Notepad++, and in browsers, you can use Google Chrome, Safari, or Mozilla Firefox. I've given all the links in the description, just go ahead and install them on your PC. I'm going to use Atom as my text editor and Chrome as my browser. So now, if you have installed a browser and your editor, let's start learning.